All right, so just going by that previous test, it's looking to me at least like it's not a speaker issue. It's going to be more along the lines of, sorry, I'm not good at looking through the camera instead of looking through my eyeballs. But so I've kind of I don't know, gone over this as like much as I possibly can, and I'm not noticing anything like really sticking out. The one thing that I'm noticing, I'll try to not blow this out too much with my flashlight, is that black cap on the farthest right of the board does have, see if we can, some kind of like little artifact on it you can see there. It's not black or anything, but I don't know, that doesn't look perfect, at least anyway. Nothing seems loose. The only thing that really kind of seems loose is this tube, but you know, I was still getting that artifact even when I grabbed it and held it like steady. So I guess, I mean, the weird thing is though, I mean, this thing is loose, but I mean, I guess that could be making, I guess anything loose could cause some kind of issue. Maybe I'll mess with that, but I don't know, I guess the only thing that I'm seeing is making that thing has that bobo on it. I don't know if that's a big deal or not. I'll try to, I don't know, get a look at this stuff. See if any of you good people who may or may not, or I guess are obviously watching this video, might see something that stands out. Couldn't tell you. Either way, this is a really close look at the inside of a 57 Champ. That solder's not super impressive, obviously. Here's what we're looking like. Okay. And here, oh, there's my wife getting ready to go to bed, which means, sorry about this, my flashlight is screwing up. It's just this tiny little Surefire, but it's not, the low mode's not working for some reason, so it's just bright as shit. But I don't know. If anybody sees anything, looks like a red flag. Let's look at the tubes real quick. I don't see any problems